morning. This is Ekamrachari, lecturer in botany, TTW Odyssey Nagar Kannur. So in the part of best lectures video, so I will explain it regarding about the cyanobacteria. So general characters of the cyanobacteria. So we know bacteria. So bacteria, which is a prokaryotic cellular structure. So prokaryotic cellular structure means the lack of the nucleus and lack of the cellular organelles. So whatever it mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum. So these are all cellular organelles are absent in the prokaryotic cellular type of features. So as similar, the cyanobacteria, which is also purely or which is a prokaryotic type of cellular organization. So the cyanobacteria, which is treated as a link in between the bacteria and green plants, photosynthetic green plants. So why? Because which is show the bacterial characters as well as even the bacterial characters. So which is treated under the autotrophic condition. So why? Because which is perform the photosynthetic reaction even though prokaryotic structure. So prokaryotic structure means lack of the cellular organelles even though chloroplast is absent. So even though chloroplast is absent, which is perform the photosynthetic reaction, that means which is synthesize their own food materials. So which is treated under the autotrophic organism. So which is treated as interconnected linking in between the bacteria and green plants. So let us discuss the basic points about the cyanobacteria, that means general characters of the cyanobacteria, and let us see these things: habitat, cell structure, chromatic adaptation, and pigments. What is the reserve food materials, and movement and heterocyst callus organization and reproduction process in the cyanobacteria. So let us discuss these things. So basically the habitat. So the habitat, which is everywhere which are cyanobacterial forms are present, that means mostly fresh water and as well as marine water, and also in soil which is also present. So just which is ubiquitously which is present as in the form of also algal blooms, and which is also not only in the ubiquitous habitual conditions, which maintains symbiotic relationship with in the form of lichens. So what is a lichen? Means the association of the association in between the fungi and algae. So most of the cyanobacterial forms, especially from the cyanobacteria oscillatoria, nostack, like that, these cyanobacterial forms which perform the lichens with symbiotically relationship with maintain the fungi. So and also some of the bryophytes like Anthoceras, which is symbiotically relationship with the nostack, like that, and also gymnosperms, the cycas plant coralloid roots, which is symbiotically relationship with the nostack colonies. So which is maintain different type of habitual conditions. So then let us see the cellular structure, the basic cellular structure. So which is very microscopic in nature. We can't see with the naked eye about the cellular structure. So the cell structure, the cells are obviously prokaryotic type of cellular structure. So prokaryotic means nucleus is absent, and cellular organelles which are also absent. So just which is a naked DNA which is present in the cytoplasm, and the photosynthetic reaction which is performed by the lamella, which is in the form of pigments are present. Photosynthetic pigments are present responsible for the photosynthetic reaction. So if we discuss regarding about the cell structure, the cells, the outer layer which is slim layer. So the outer layer which is covered by the slimy layer. So mucilaginous slimy layer which is also present the outer layer of the cell. The cells are embedded within the mucilaginous material. So this is also called as slim layer. So which is a mucilaginous layer. And followed to the lower side, the cell wall which is present. The cell wall which is differentiated into two regions, the outer region and lower region, outer cell wall and inner cell wall. So the outer cell wall which is made up of microfibrils, then inner cell wall which is made up of muramic acid and mycopeptides. So which is called as cyanobacteria. So which is treated as that means bacteria. So what is the bacterial characters means? The bacterial cell wall which is contain which have the muramic acid, so mycopeptides are present. So the cyanobacterial cell wall which is very much like which is very similar to the bacterial cell wall. So that is related to the bacterial characters. So the cell wall which is differentiated into two regions, outer cell wall and inner cell wall. So outer one which is made up of microfibrils, then the inner cell wall which is made up of mycopeptides, muramic acid, like that. Then the cell wall which is gives to the shape and protection regarding about the cell. So gives particular type of shape and protection, and also mechanical strength gives to the cell. Then follow to the lower layer which is the plasma membrane. So plasma membrane which is a physiological, which maintain the physiological activity, which is a semi-permeable membrane. The plasma membrane which is shows some important character in the cyanophysin members. So why? Because the plasma membrane which is show the invaginations, some that means the plasma membrane sometimes some intervals the plasma membrane which is invagination towards the lower side of the cytoplasm, So these invaginations which are made by the plasma membrane. Then follow to the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm which have the which is differentiated into two regions. Cytoplasm which is differentiated into two regions. The outer cytoplasm and inner cytoplasm, or which is also called as cytoplasm, differentiated into two regions. That means chromoplasm or centroplasm. So what is the mean about chromoplasm and centroplasm? So the outer region of the peripheral cytoplasm. So what I am saying, the peripheral region of the cytoplasm which is called as chromoplasm. Chromo means color. So the outer cytoplasm of the cyanophysin member, cyanobacteria, the outer cytoplasm which is appeared in the colored form, that means chromoplasm. So why? Because which is appeared in the that means color, means the outer peripheral cytoplasm which have the photosynthetic pigments in the form of lamella, So lamella means, so for example, this is the prokaryotic type of cellular feature. So prokaryotic type of means there is no chloroplast, there is no mitochondria, like that, so etc. So even though chloroplast is absent, the photosynthetic reaction which is performed. So the photosynthetic reaction means there is no chloroplast. Why? Because which is a prokaryotic type of cellular structure. So then the lamella which is present, that means just the thylakoids are present. So thylakoids membranes are present. So these thylakoid membranes have the photosynthetic pigments. So by these pigments about the peripheral cytoplasm, the peripheral cytoplasm which is appeared in the color. Then central cytoplasm. So this is centroplasm which is hyaline in nature. So there is no any color appearance. So which is a very hyaline translucent cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm differentiated into two regions, outer periplasm or chromoplasm or centroplasm, which is a hyaline in structure. Then the cytoplasmic inclusions or ribosomes are present, and naked DNA which is present, the genetic material DNA which is present. So there is no any nucleus. The DNA which is freely exists in the cytoplasm. There is no histone protein, the DNA molecule which is not association with the histone proteins, the naked DNA which are present in the cytoplasm. And polyglucans are present, cyanophysin granules are present, polyhedral bodies are present, and oil bodies are present, so etc. And also gas vacuoles are present in the cyanobacterial cell. So these gas vacuoles are help for the floating purpose of the filaments of the cyanophysin members on the water body. So the gas vacuoles are help for the floating purpose of the cyanophysin filaments. So this is the cellular structure. So the cells are embedded within the mucilaginous slim layer, then followed to the cell wall which is differentiated into two regions, outer and inner. Outer cell wall which is made up of microfibrils, inner cell wall which is made up of muramic acid, mycopeptides, then followed to the plasma membrane which is show the invaginations toward the cytoplasm, and cytoplasm which is differentiated into two regions, chromoplasm and centroplasm. Chromoplasm which is appeared in the colored form. Why? Because the photosynthetic pigments are present, so that means which is appeared in the colored. And centroplasm, centrally located cytoplasm which is a hyaline in structure, that means there is no appearance in any color. So and cytoplasmic inclusions are there. So obviously which is the prokaryotic type of feature of cellular structure. Then pigments. So the cyanobacterial pigments or chief pigments are phycocyanin C and phycoerythrin C. Phycoerythrin C, and also mixoxanthophils are also present, which are the pigments. So these pigments are which are present on the thylakoid membranes on the lamella, especially about the invaginations of the plasma membrane. Then storage food materials which are the cyanophysin granules, which is a phycocyanin, and storage food materials which are the polyglucan granules which are present in between the thylakoid membranes. Polyglucan granules. Polyglucan granules. Then movement. So cyanobacteria which is a lack of the flagella. So quite lack of the flagella. So just which is show the movement which has in the form of gliding movement. So why? Because the cells are embedded within the mucilaginous material, that is a slim layer. Just cells or filaments, cyanobacterial filaments, just to show the gliding movement. So then heterocyst. So heterocyst which is one of the important character of the cyanobacteria. Why? Because so heterocyst means the cell which is a very differentiated from the vegetative cell. So for example, this is the Nostoc filament, for example. So this is the heterocystous cell, so which is very differentiated from the vegetative cells. So the cell which is with a size which is bigger than the or larger than the normal vegetative cells. The cell which is a spherical or ovoidal in structure, so which may be intercalary or terminal. The heterocystous cell which is a intercalary or terminal. So what is the important function of the heterocyst means the atmospheric nitrogen which is converted into the ammonia. So the atmospheric nitrogen, so whatever it the N2 form which is present in the environment, which is converted into the ammonia by the reaction of the heterocystous cell, by the function of the heterocystous cell. So this is a very important cell within the cyanophysin members. So generally the cyanobacteria which is also called as blue-green algae, BGA. So blue-green algae. So these blue-green algal forms are cyanobacterial forms based on this heterosister cell, which is used as a biofertilizers in the paddy fields. Biofertilizers. So these especially cyanobacterial forms used as a biofertilizers in the especially paddy fields. Then thallus organization. So simply the cyanobacterial forms, which is a single unicellular to multicellular filamentous condition. So there is no any thallus complexity. There is no any thallus complexity is there. Just from unicellular to multicellular, just filamentous forms. So then reproduction. So reproduction, the sexual reproduction, which is particularly absent in the cyanobacterial forms, just which is a vegetative reproduction which is present. And so vegetative reproduction in the form of cell division and hormogonia and achenates, like that. So sexual reproduction is completely absent. So this is the general characters of the cyanobacteria, and let us see some of the examples of the cyanobacterial forms, like that, whatever it, Oscillatoria, Nostoc and Anabina, like that. So Oscillatoria, so this is oscillatorial filament, so which is a cyanobacterial form. So the thallus structure, which is a uniseriate filaments. So that means why? Because uniseriate filaments are formed. The cell division which is takes place in one plane, so that's why the filaments are formed. That means uniseriate filaments are formed. The cells are width which is very long than the height, than the length. So width which is very long. So the cells which are uniseriate forms, the all cells in the filaments are very similar except the apical cell. The apical cell, which is a dome shaped structure rather than the remaining lower side of the filament cells, that means vegetative cells. So the growth which is the apical, the growth which is the apical. Then the cell structure which is a prokaryotic type of cellular feature, the cytoplasm which is also appeared in the chromoplasm and the centroplasm, whatever it we have to see in the earlier the cellular structure of the cyanobacteria, the entire structure which is regarding about the oscillatoria also. So the oscillatoria, why? Because the name which is the meaning which is represents the oscillate. So oscillate means the filaments which is show the oscillation movement. The filaments which is show the oscillation movement. That's why which is also which is the name which is